A multi-agency search and rescue is underway for a boat with 15 crew members that disappeared in Jamaican waters last week. The boat, owned by Rainforest Seafoods, was en route to Jamaica from Honduras when it last made contact with authorities. Giovanni Dennis has the details.
Missing since Tuesday, this is the boat owned by Rainforest Seafoods that vanished in Jamaican waters en route from Honduras.
We have lost contact, and as such it has disappeared. Just a couple miles off Pedro Key, so it was in our waters. So actually what is happening is now that the search is on to find the vessel fully and the crew.
Information reaching TVJ News is that all 15 crew members are Honduran contractors working with Rainforest Seafoods. Now in a release, Rainforest said Falling Star is one of its lobster fishing vessels and was returning from routine maintenance overseas and stopped sending tracking signals on the afternoon of July 6. The vessel was 30 miles west of Peter Bank. Marine Police, the JDF Coast Guard, and members of the U.S. Coast Guard have been assisting with search and rescue efforts since Wednesday. Rainforest says Cubans and the Caymanian Coast Guard and Honduran Coast Guard are also lending support. The Jamaican company says so far there has been no significant visual sighting and is requesting help from anyone or entity with able vessels. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.